Credit is growing faster than ever in India, but still most Bharat users are excluded from financial services in India. Hi everyone, this is Varun. I take care of the product Secure ID at Cashfree Payments.
Hi everyone, this is Mehul Jatia. I am the lead product designer with Cashfree Payments.
Hi everyone, I am Shubham Atlani. I lead engineering at Secure ID, Cashfree Payments.
As I mentioned, credit is growing faster than ever in India, be it BNPLs, credit cards, or instant loans. But here's the problem. Full KYC is still a legal must-have for all the companies, and most lending companies or credit companies still rely on operationally heavy in-person verifications or broken video KYC flows that just don't scale. From rural loans to urban disbursals, KYC remains one of the toughest steps in the credit funnel because of poor infrastructure, identity mismatches, language confusion, or missing documents. All this eventually leads to high drop-offs, high risk of frauds, and high funnel costs. So we are here to fix it. We are here to provide digital lending or to make digital lending accessible to next 100 million Indians, irrespective of geography, device, or language. So we at Cashfree have built India's first RBI-compliant, AI-powered video KYC with multilingual capabilities to boost conversions by 3x and to drive financial inclusion in India. So going forward, we'll take you through how we have built this product and what is our aim to build video KYC. We had a simple aim when we started building this product, that is build a conversion-friendly video KYC, addressing the key friction points in the credit funnel and making credit accessible to all the Bharat users. In the video KYC product, we have 4 modules. One is end user experience, second is agent experience, third is auditor, and the fourth is admin module. So we'll start with what breaks first, that is end user experience. I mean, the major pain points that businesses face while dealing with end user experience is high number of drop-offs, PAN not being available after joining the call, or someone scheduling a video call but not showing up. So we'll be addressing all these key friction points or pain points, and we'll be basically explaining how we are solving for it. So Mehul will explain the process ahead.
So talking about the customer journey, right, where we, like people like me and you, we go and apply for loans or credit cards. These majorly consist of 3 parts. One is entering your personal and professional details. Second is doing your other verification, and third is doing the actual video KYC, right? What we solve for here is, with the help of your phone number, we can pre-fill a lot of your data. About 80% of the data can be pre-filled automatically. Coming on to the other verification, we have 2 methods. Either you verify via OTP using UIDI, or you use DigiLocker services within our platform to verify your Aadhaar card. Now moving on to the third and the most important part, that is video KYC, where we connect you to an agent who is sitting on the other side trying to verify you, right? We have solved for it seamlessly in a manner that you don't have to wait for more than 40 to 50 seconds. You're connected to an agent who verifies your documents, answers a few questions, and that's done. That's how your video KYC works. Now I think I'll move over to Shubham, and he will help you walk and understand more about the technical solutions that we have built around it.
This is a mobile-first product, video KYC, that we have built. For end users, the journey is extremely seamless. The user comes in, they go through a mobile OTP authentication, and let's say if you are a customer who has integrated our SDK, then the journey is even more seamless. You don't need to go through a mobile OTP authentication. There's a server-to-server authentication that we have built, for which you can actually pass the user context to our video KYC solution, and we take care the journey going forward. On the security side, we have met all the RBI guidelines. There's a geofencing put at the server side. We do IP verification of the user, and the entire journey of the user is permission led. Only based on user's permission, the journey continues. On the engineering side, we have actually scaled our system in such a way that we can perform 1,000 video KYCs in parallel, or more than 1,000 video KYCs. The entire system is battle tested. We support multiple mobile devices, different platforms, OSs, browsers, and the frequent issue that end users often face is that the internet bandwidth is low at remote areas. For such cases, we have actually taken care of different corner cases. For example, a user losing an internet connection, we maintain the state, we nudge the user at the right time with the right nudge that they can join back the call. The agent is waiting for them, and once they get back, the call continues from there. So that is how we are taking care of the major part of the user journey.
So here comes the second module, that is the agent module, and it's all about throughput. Agent is the person who actually joins the video call and assists the user to complete the video KYC. Agents make sure that the user is able to complete the video KYC, and also at the same time he is also making sure that there are no frauds happening throughout the video KYC call. So the major key pain points that people face while handling with the agent modules are the efficiency of the agents, the unavailability of the agents, and the third one is onboarding the agents. Now Mehul will walk you through how Cashfree is solving for all three pain points.
Unlike most companies that are solving only for customer efficiency and the user experience, we have thoughtfully crafted and created experience for agents as well. The main task and motive for an agent is to seamlessly complete a verification in the shortest amount of time possible. Now, coming to an agent experience, when he is on the call, he will be seamlessly able to connect to a user in no time. He will be able to see all the pre-filled information that is available to him and required for the verification upfront. The quality checks that we do for OCR or liveliness check that we perform on behalf of the customer, so that we are able to verify them very quickly and very efficiently. In no time, he will be able to review and close the application. Coming on to the technical aspects of it, how we have solved for it, what we have brought into things, in turn also improves the customer experience. I would like Shivam to...
On the technical side for agents, as you scale the system, you would onboard more and more agents. For that part, we are taking care that how do we seamlessly conduct video KYCs in parallel. So there's a smarter dynamic allocation of agents that is taken care of, and so that the wait time for the users is minimal. And then when we say it is an AI-driven video KYC, essentially, of course, agent is there to do some manual work, but we have reduced that to a great extent. The name match, the face match, and the PAN verification, the features are powered by our in-house models, and the journey is extremely seamless. One step to another step happens very seamlessly, which is actually helps us to reduce the overall time involved in the video KYC.
So now comes the third module, that is auditor module. That is more like a compliance overhead for any company. With the auditor module, there comes 2 to 3 main pain points. One is the time taken by auditor to review an application, right? When there is a burden, a lot of applications coming into the picture, auditors cannot review it very fast and make sure that the applications are reviewed at the same time. Second major problem is auditors not being aware of all the dynamics of the video KYC call. That is the timestamp, latitude, longitude, at what time the video KYC happened, in what area, latitude, longitude. So all the dynamics not being available to the auditor so that he can take an informed decision. The third is the auditor onboarding itself. How does the auditor gets onboarded onto a merchant module? So Mehul will cover up how we are solving for these 3 pain points.
As Varun mentioned, for an auditor, the main task is to come here on the system and review the applications that are there waiting for him to be reviewed. Once the auditor comes onto the platform, he upfront sees all the list of applications, which he can review one by one. We have introduced timestamps on the video, which leads them directly to the section which he wants to review first. There are specified sections which helps him go through the details quickly. There are remarks from the agents that he can go through and take informed decisions, all in a matter of seconds. The only time taken for him is to go through the video and clear all his doubts about the application. With one click, he can approve or reject, given the conditions, any application and move on to the next. The entire system has been customized for efficiency and reliability on an auditor. I think now Shivam will walk you through different aspects of the auditor portal as well.
On the auditor side, I think the things are much simpler. What I actually wanted to highlight on the merchant experience side, how do you integrate our video KYC solution? There has been a lot of focus gone into this aspect, that we have built our APIs very lean. The overall integration may not take more than 3 days actually to integrate the solution. We have SDK support across different platforms, Android, iOS, web, and eventually you get a merchant dashboard. So the dashboard where you can see all the metrics across user, across agent and auditor, all the 3 models. So that is on the merchant experience side.
So as we covered the merchant module, also wanted to highlight that we provide a unified portal for merchants to actually integrate our systems instead of having different integrations and a lot of operational overhead to maintain different stakeholders. We provide a unified platform. So now that we have covered all 4 modules of our video KYC and how we have solved for the major pain points, including all the modules, We have made this product live across India, and we have seen a measurable impact in terms of the numbers that we have improved. We have seen the drop-off rates reduced from 60% to 25%. That means initially, out of 100, only 25 users were able to do successful video KYC calls. But with our product, out of 100, 75 people will be able to go through. The second metric that we have reduced is average duration of video KYC call. We have reduced it from 8 to 10 minutes to 3 minutes. The third one is the approval time that it takes. Initially, the approval time with broken video KYC flows was around 4 days. We have reduced it from 4 days to 4 hours. And also, we have reduced the funnel cost from 400 to 500 rupees to less than 80 to 100 rupees. So with this impact, we are able to cater to credit companies who want to cater to the next 100 million Bharat users. With Secure ID Video KYC product, you can scale your credit services throughout India. You can serve the Bharat users better and faster, and at the same time stay compliant with RBI guidelines. I hope you like our product, and we are eager to see you experience it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.